We got started, like most people do, with basic flexo equipment, but realized that we were going to need to start doing something to differentiate ourselves from the competition that we have in this area. Our customer base was really showing a need for something outside the standard flexo printing. In walks Domino, in walks CEI. Once we started comparing them to other digital engines that were out there, it was just a no-brainer for us. It's gotten to the point where people want to run this piece of equipment because it's new and it's exciting.
We've noticed a definite difference to our bottom line because of the Domino and because of the CEI equipment. We're running things in a much more efficient way, we're running things in a much more cost-conscious way. That's a huge thing for our customers.
What excites us about this machine is that it allows us to enter new markets. It's been really exciting to see how our operators have taken to this machine. It made their jobs easier and they're running them in a fraction of the time.
We're just getting started with it. We've had it 5 months, and the capability of this piece of equipment gives us the quality that we're looking for, and we give the customer the best solution.
We really think that this is what's going to take us to the next level. We truly believe that this is the way to go. We're poised for greatness.